because we have this in-house process, we have complete control over the fit, comfort, and finish, so we can make you the perfect appliance every time. In my office, we use the SprintRay system. It's a key part in controlling and guiding the process of making perfect, conservative, and personalized dentistry for you. We can take this mini factory in our office and make almost anything we imagine with a faster turnaround, with better fit, and again, with better control over the process to shape things for your specific personalized needs. We can accomplish our vision, and that's bringing conservative dentistry to you.